Está temblando un poquitito. No se asusten, vamos a quedarnos. Les doy la hora. 7 de la mañana, 10. Ah, Chihuahua.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Dios mío, Dios mío,
Alerta sísmica, aplicando seguimiento real. Esto no es un simulacro.
Catastrophes are in any time of the year. Let's talk about earthquakes. The largest earthquake in Mexico, magnitude 8.6, March 28, 1987, 2 years before the outbreak of the French Revolution in the coast of Oaxaca. This earthquake is also known as the Great Mexican Tsunami because the rupture causes one of the greatest damage in the history of Oaxaca, floating everything in its path up to 6 kilometers island near Pochutla. Today, Puerto Angel, and it expanded approximately along the 450 kilometers that cover the Oaxacan coast. The 2017 earthquake, magnitude 8.2, Gulf of Tehuantepec, September 7th. The earthquake that occurred on September 7, 2017, of magnitude 8.2, located in the Gulf of Tehuantepec, 133 kilometers southwest of Pijijiapan, Chiapas, caused several damage in Oaxaca, where more than 20,000 homes were affected and another 40,000 suffered damage. In the case of Chiapas, 46,000 homes were damaged. This earthquake claimed the lives of 99 people, of whom 97 died in Oaxaca, 17 in Chiapas, and another 4 in Tabasco. The 1985 earthquake, magnitude 8.1, in the coast of Michoacan, September 19th. Despite having occurred in the coast of Michoacan, more than 350 kilometers from Mexico City, most of the damage and human losses were concentrated in the country's capital. Official figures said that 5,000 people died during the earthquake. However, other estimates show more than 10,000 deaths, about 50,000 injured, at least 250,000 homeless people, and more than 770 buildings collapsed. Let's talk about the Angel earthquake, magnitude 7.8, southeast of Acapulco. The Monument of Independence, 7 meters high and weighing 7 tons, stood 45 meters above the ground for almost half a century until early Sunday morning in 1957, when the earthquake causes it to fall. After 14 months of restoration and reinforcement of the monument, the Angel of Independence was reopened in September 1958. Let's talk about the earthquake with the most aftershocks in history, magnitude 7.5, Ometepec, Guerrero. This earthquake, whose intensity in Mexico City was very similar to which causes the Copala earthquake in September 1995, magnitude 7.3, generated a tsunami approximately 1.5 meters high and uplifted the coast of about 70 centimeters in the town of Punta Maldonado. This earthquake is distinguished by having had the largest number of aftershocks recorded in Mexican earthquakes, with 44 events of magnitude greater than 4.5 during the first 30 days after its rupture. Do you remember any of this? Leave down here your experience. Where were you? And don't forget to subscribe to Meta Universe.